So you can certainly train your biceps, triceps, and all your back. Hello guys, this is your boy Satinder Kahlon. Welcome to my YouTube channel Kahlon Fitness, and today's video is going to be about home workouts or home exercises you can perform at home, and you don't need any gym equipments or any weights for that. And if your prime focus is to just be fit, and you are not much worried about the separation of your muscles, then you can have that growth, and you can put a muscle mass on your muscle at home. So basically, if you want to be a competitive bodybuilder or fitness model or anything, I won't recommend you to do all the exercises at home. But in case, like, I haven't been to gym like for 2 weeks now, maybe more than 2 weeks. But because there is something going on in life, you can't, there are some situation when you have to take that time off. At that time, you can keep yourself, at least in shape by just performing these exercises at home. So let's talk less and jump into the exercises. Let's see the variations for our pull-up exercises. Boom. So the first one we're doing here is a normal pull-up we do for our back. So you keep your hand wide and
unorthodox.
now after this, then you twist your hands around and keep them a bit narrow. You can actually focus on your biceps on all the heads. And when you reverse, the grip, you can actually focus on your triceps. Now we will perform all the exercises back to back just to make it a superset, alright? And at the end, I will give you some ab exercises too. When you do ab exercises, guys, these were the different variations for pull-ups, and hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up, like button to keep me motivated. And if you got any questions or anything you want to suggest, just leave it in comment box. I'll personally have a look on those and reply to you guys. And last but not the least, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and keep exercising, keep training, and keep growing. Smash it, guys. So this is your boy Satinder Kahlon signing out, and peace. See you guys.